Hello guys, welcome back, and in this lesson we are going to start on CSS, and on this lesson specifically we are going to see how to import CSS or how to define CSS in your HTML file. So the first thing or the first way that you can do, remember I told you that you can be able to add external CSS file using this link rel style sheet and then define the location of the file. In this case I'll just start by saying style.css, and then what I'll do is that inside the same folder where we have our HTML file, I'm going to create a new file known as styles.css file, new file. I'll say styles.css like that. I'll save this. All right, I'll define it here. .css like that. So that will create a CSS file. As you can see, it has even this hashtag to show that it is a CSS file. So here we can start just by doing an example that this CSS file actually works by defining. I'll show you how to define the structure for CSS and data, all these things. But for now, just want to show you that this actually works. So I want to define the body to have a background color. Let's say a background color of green maybe, all right, something of that sort. And then of course we have imported this style sheet here because they are in the same folder. If I go here and do a refresh, as you can see now the background is green, which means actually that CSS works. Number two, the second way you can be able to add a CSS code to your HTML file, so I'll comment this so that we do not apply this, is by inside the header here, you can be able to define style. So if you just say style here, and I just say again body, and again I say background color. Okay, having something distracting me here. So you can have background color, I can still say yellow, and this will still work. So if I go here and do a refresh, the same thing. And the third way that I can be able to define CSS, code or styling, is by applying it directly to the HTML element. So on the body I can go here and say style, and I can say background color, I can say black. So this will do the same thing that we have done here. So if I go here and do a refresh here, so now we have the background color as black. So those are the three simple ways that you can be able to apply CSS style to your HTML elements.